Good morning. Today we see about what is silicates. Silicates are a largest group of minerals. It composed mainly of silicon and oxygen atom. The basic building block is the silica tetrahedron where one silicon atom is surrounded by four oxygen atoms. This is the structure of the silicate. In silicon atom is present at the center, whereas oxygen atom is surrounded by the silicon atom. Then we will see about physical properties of silicon. Silicon atomic number is 14. Its relative atomic mass is 28.085. It has metal-like appearance. Silicon density is approximately 2.33 gram per cubic centimeter. Its melting point is 4100 degree and boiling point is 3265. Silicon isotopes are natural. Various artificial isotopes exist that are radioactive. Its purest form is a semiconductor. Then chemical properties of silicon. Its chemical behavior is purely electropositive. Its chemical behavior is similar to metals. It does not easily integrate with oxygen or other related elements because it is solid. It is relatively inactive at room temperature. At a higher temperature, silicon is highly reactive. In a molten state, it forms alloys. Next, we will see about the structure of silicates. The X-ray crystallographic method tells about the structural principle in silicate structure. The electronegativity difference between oxygen and silicon is 1.7. Indicate the bonds between oxygen and silicon are 50% ionic and 50% covalent in nature. The radius ratio rule indicate that is 0.29 value, that is silicon is 4 coordinated and it is surrounded by 4 oxygen atoms at the corners of a tetrahedron. The SiO4 4- tetrahedral may exist units or may polymerize into a large units by sharing corners with oxygen atom. The oxygen atom form a close packed structure where both have an octahedral and tetrahedral voids. Most metal ions are the right size to fit one type of void. This is the structure of the silicates. That is bond angle is 109.5, that is bond length is 162 picometer. Occurrence of silicates in the earth crust. About 95% of the earth crust is composed of silicate minerals, aluminosilicates, clays or silica. These are found in all kinds of rock, sand, clay, soil, granite, bricks, cement, ceramic and glass. Silicate minerals are rock-forming minerals made up of silicate groups. Next, we move on to the types of silicates. In types of silicates, first type is nesosilicates or orthosilicates. It is the simplest structure with isolated. Example, olivine, garnet and zircon. Second is zorosilicate or pyrosilicates, that is two tetrahedra joined by sharing one oxygen forming, that is hemimorphoid and trottoidity. Third one is cyclic silicate or ring silicate, that is tetrahedra linked in rings, that is 3, 4 or 6 unit with 2 shared oxygen per unit. Example, beryl tourmaline. Next, fourth type is inosilicates, that is chain silicate. It has a two subdivided, that is single chain pyroxene or double chain amphifolds. In single chain, units share two oxygen. In double chain, two parallel chain linked together. Pyrosilicates, that is sheet silicates. Sheets formed by sharing 3 oxygen per tetrahedron, typically mica, talc or clay. Tectosilicates, that is 3D framework silicates, that is all 4 oxygen atoms shared in a 3D network, that is quartz, feldspar and zeolites. Orthosilicates. Orthosilicates are the simplest silicates which contain a discrete SiO4 4- tetrahedral units that they share no corner oxygen. These are also known as nesosilicates. Example of orthosilicates: Wilmide, forsteride, and pinanticides. This is the structure of the orthosilicates, where silicon atom present at the center, oxygen atom are present at the corner. Next, second type is pyrosilicates. In these types of silicates, two tetrahedral units are joined by sharing the oxygen at the one corner. The structural units of pyrosilicates are Si2O7 6-. These are also known as sorosilicate or disilicate. Example: trotowite and hemimorphide. This is the structure of the pyrosilicate. One of the oxygen atom located at the center of the structure, whereas remaining oxygen atom occupy the corner. Cyclic silicates. In this type of silicates, two oxygen atoms per tetrahedral unit are shared to form a ring-type structure. The general formula of cyclic silicate is SiO3 the whole n 2n minus. Rings containing 3, 4, 6 and 8 tetrahedral units are known, but 3 and 6 are more common. Example: beryl. This is the structure of the cyclic silicates, whereas 3 and 4 units are most common. Next, we move on to chain silicates. Simple chain silicates are formed by sharing oxygen atoms on two corners of each tetrahedral. The general formula of cyclic silicates is SiO3 the whole n 2n minus. Example: diopside. This is the structure of the chain silicates. Next type is a double chain silicates, that is, it is formed when two simple chain silicates are joined together by shared oxygen. These are called amphifolds and they are well known. The structural unit of amphifolds are Si4O11N6n-. Example: tremolide. This is the structure of the double chain silicates. Next, we move on to sheet silicates. Sheet silicates when silica, that is SiO4 units, share three corners and infinite two-dimensional sheet is formed called sheet silicates. The empirical formula is Si2O5 the whole n 2n minus. There are two strong bonds within the silicon oxygen sheet, but much weaker forces hold each sheet to the next one. Thus, the minerals tend to cleave into thin sheets. This is the structure of the sheet silicates. Next, we move on to the three-dimensional silicate. In the structure of the three-dimensional silicate, all the four corner oxygen atom of SiO4 units are shared with others. The three-dimensional lattice formula is SiO2, that is quartz, tritamide, etc. This is the structure of the three-dimensional silicates. Uses of silicates. Alkali silicates are used mainly as glue. Silicates are extremely important in the cement, ceramic and glass industries. Quartz is another example of silicates with an ideal capability to give a high rhythmic frequency vibration. These characteristics make quartz crystal to be used in radios, pressure gauges and watches. Industries use silicates to treat wastewater as an iron flocculant and alum coagulant. Thank you.